Introduction. Success in real estate isn't about luck or being in the right place at the right time. It's about strategy, understanding the market, and implementing effective consulting tips. As a real estate agent in New York, closing more deals means navigating through a dynamic landscape where each decision can significantly impact your success rate. The right consulting advice can make all the difference, providing insights into the nuances of client needs and market trends. By honing these skills, you position yourself a step ahead, ready to secure those crucial deals and build lasting professional relationships. Envision enhancing your capability with the expertise of a real estate digital marketing company. From crafting a standout online presence to leveraging data-driven strategies, these tools are transformative. A reliable partner can help you not only market better, but also understand what drives your clients' decisions. Armed with valuable insights, you're able to adapt your approach, ensuring that each interaction you have with potential buyers or sellers builds trust and facilitates a smoother negotiation process. Understanding the market landscape. The New York real estate market is like a vibrant mosaic, each piece representing a unique demand and demographic. For agents, understanding this landscape is pivotal to customizing strategies that effectively resonate with target audiences. 1. Identify target demographics. Begin by pinpointing who your ideal clients are. Are they young professionals looking for their first home or retirees seeking a quieter lifestyle? Each group has distinct preferences and needs. 2. Segment the market. Break down large demographic groups into smaller segments. This approach helps you to tailor your marketing strategies more effectively. For instance, young professionals might appreciate city-centric properties with easy access to transit. Families could prioritize school districts and parks. Retirees may look for quiet neighborhoods with community amenities. Understanding these unique desires allows you to craft tailored messages that speak directly to each audience, ensuring that your strategies are relevant and engaging. As you refine your approach to these segments, you can also begin to identify patterns and preferences, further enhancing your ability to close deals effectively. Navigating the New York market requires insight and precision. The strategies you deploy should not just focus on selling properties, but also on building connections with potential buyers based on their individual preferences and needs. This approach transforms interactions from transactional to relational, increasing the likelihood of securing long-term clients and closing more deals. Building an effective online presence. Developing a solid online presence is a game changer for real estate agents. A professional website is your digital storefront, reflecting your brand and credibility. Make sure your site is clean and easy to navigate. Include high-quality images and detailed property descriptions to engage visitors immediately. Your website should function smoothly on all devices, especially mobile phones, since many clients browse properties on the go. To attract more leads, use SEO strategies that capture the attention of search engines and potential buyers. Focus on relevant keywords like New York condos or Brooklyn two-bedroom apartments to improve your website's visibility. Also, consistently update your content to reflect current listings and market trends, which helps keep your site fresh and informative for returning visitors. Social media platforms are invaluable tools to connect directly with potential clients. Use platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase listings and highlight neighborhood features that might interest prospective buyers. Engaging content can include virtual tours or live Q&A sessions. Social media lets you build a community around your brand, helping you stay top of mind when clients are ready to transact. Enhancing client relationships. Building strong relationships with clients goes beyond just closing deals. Effective communication is the key to long-term success. Always listen to their needs and provide timely updates. This includes being prompt with follow-ups, whether after an open house or a simple inquiry. Demonstrating genuine interest in their concerns establishes trust and encourages repeat business. Implementing customer relationship management (CRM) tools can be helpful in organizing client information and interactions. These tools help track past communications and remind you of important dates like a client's buying anniversary or a reminder to check in with them. Consider using simple tools that don't add complexity but provide clear advantages like reminders and contact management. Exceptional customer service is often the difference between a one-time transaction and a lifelong client. Treat every client as a VIP, offering stellar service from start to finish. This can be something as simple as a personalized thank you note or helping them with post-purchase paperwork. Little gestures go a long way in maintaining a positive client-agent relationship. Utilizing data-driven strategies. Data is a powerful ally in real estate marketing. Understanding market trends and client behavior can help you tailor your strategies more effectively. For example, if data shows a shift in buyer interest towards eco-friendly homes, you can adjust your listings and marketing messages accordingly. Access to this kind of information allows you to anticipate market demands and position your offerings strategically. Analyzing your data helps you draw connections between client preferences and successful deals. You'll begin to notice patterns like popular neighborhoods or preferred property features, enabling you to focus your efforts on these high-demand areas. Use these insights to refine your marketing tactics and improve client satisfaction. Finally, implementing a data-driven strategy means continuously evaluating your efforts. Set measurable goals for your marketing campaigns, track your progress, and adjust where necessary. This proactive approach ensures you remain agile in the shifting landscape of real estate, allowing you to close deals more consistently and effectively. Mastering real estate deals with strategic digital marketing. Closing deals in real estate demands a mix of savvy marketing, robust client relations, and data-driven insight. By applying the consulting tips shared, you enhance not only your immediate results but set the foundation for long-term success. Credibility grows with each successful transaction, and happy client, building a reputation that draws even more prospects to your door. Consistency is a secret ingredient in sustaining this success. Implement these strategies regularly, adapting them as new trends emerge. Your ability to remain flexible yet persistent ensures you will thrive in New York's ever-changing real estate landscape. As you continue to refine your approach, the path to mastering real estate deals becomes clearer and more rewarding. Closing real estate deals successfully hinges on the strategies you employ and the relationships you build. If you're eager to evolve your marketing tactics and strengthen client bonds, explore how a real estate digital marketing company can amplify your efforts. Visit Ask8 to find innovative solutions tailored to the unique challenges faced by real estate agents. Unlock new potential and stay ahead in New York's dynamic market by integrating expert insights into your practice today. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance, I'm living it. As a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant, I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes, and now I'm here to help you win. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe. A man's worth is not measured in the numbers in his bank account, but in the number of people that call him a friend. Agustin Ask Auggie, Diaz Marketing Campaign, plus Smart Automation, plus Coaching Ask Success, Ask I, Internet Marketing and Lead Generation Services. All the best to your success.